In 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match 45 has begun. The reshots up for blue. And the few over on the red lines as well. 13:55 the SuperNURDs looking for those additional notes to be scored into the Super. Our teams are just about neck and neck as we head into the operator period. No notes picked up on the center line during auto. Means that all 16 around Monarch, Robotics, heading over to that blue also before another note before their alliance begins to shoot into the Super. 260 safe for Robotics. Settling the red side of the VOC 66 is cut and they score. You see that speaker there when it's followed by 32-55 into that red amp. All three robots grabbing those notes from the source and they try to make it back before the end of that amplification period. They do not quite make it, so the TorBots look to score into the amp 260, giving their friends 58-35 on the red side of the field. And at the red line, amplified their speaker there more during this period. The TorBots heading to the blue amp and they score. They're going to pass notes for around 18 motion. They will pick those out and continue to shoot into that little line of 26-58. Trying to pass what goal very far, but no way to that is. Now on to the red robots headed to their course. They're looking to score one more note in their camp before they begin to shoot the speaker. So the SuperNURDs are going to hold on tight over here as they kill. Their speaker shot can be amplified. We've headed into the engine here to qualification at 45. And our teams are going to look to wind their speed. Looks like our robots are trying to get these last few cycles in. TorBots with one last shot.